When that itch came in, I knew what to do. I know it's time to wash my head, and I just can't. Like, if my scalp is not healthy, how are my locks gonna be healthy? And I feel like my scalp ain't healthy, so the hair ain't gonna grow right. Hey everybody, welcome to my channel, and if you're new here, thank you for tuning in. Today I am going to be washing my hair because I can't take the itching no more. My hair has flakes. Can y'all see this? I don't know if y'all can see that, but it's in bad shape. My scalp is itchy. It's on fire. I don't feel like setting up my tripod right now, so this is gonna be how I'm gonna do this video. I'm just gonna show you guys what it looks like. So I just interlocked my hair yesterday. I finished, and it looks no, I'm I'm recording. So So this is what my hair looks like. It looks really good, y'all. I think I'm almost like 3 weeks in my journey. My hair looks nice, but y'all, can y'all see this scalp? Y'all, I got big old flakes, like buildup all in here. It is so itchy. I said I can't take it no more. So I'm about to make a ACV mixture. I have a video on how I do my ACV mixture, how I used to do it on my natural hair, my natural loose hair. So if you guys want to see that video, just go ahead and hit the card up above. But I'm going to spray my hair first to get that buildup off of my scalp because it's pretty bad. And then I'm going to do a regular wash, but I'm going to be braiding my hair so I don't have a bunch of unraveling. And I'm also going to do some banding. So I will come back to show you guys what that is looking like in a second. All right, y'all, I got my mixture of my ACV mixed with some distilled water and a little bit of essential oils. I'm gonna put this in my hair first because I just wish y'all could see all this gunk in my head. When I was shooting that other video where I was trying to show y'all the how I was doing my twists and how they were looking, you could just see so much stuff. My head was just flaking. It looked like I had snow falling out my head, y'all. That was not it, but that's just part of the journey. I can't fake it for y'all. That is really what my head looked like. Flakes were just flying all on my leg. Wasn't good. Y'all probably really can't tell how bad my dandruff is right now because I just left the gym. So now I kind of have this buildup. I ain't gonna lie to y'all. I'm gonna show it to you too. My fingernail was clean. Can y'all see that? We gonna call this the tissue test, y'all. Let me just show y'all. This is just me. I'm just take a little bit. My fingernail was clean, by the way. This is a fresh napkin. Look at that. Y'all see that right there in the middle? That is just a little bit of the buildup and dandruff that I got mixed with the sweat from me being in the gym. Just one little piece, look. I'm sorry if this is nasty to some of y'all. It's nasty to me too, but this is what is on my scalp. And it gots to go. It gots to go. Can't deal with it. I can't deal. Y'all, my head stink. I don't like it. I know the public don't like it either. My husband probably don't like it. He ain't said nothing yet, but I'm sure it don't smell good. And I need to take care of it. Hold on. I need you, if you can, and if you have it in your heart, please go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Now back to the video. Ooh, look at that. Ooh, Chris Part come through, Chris Part. I didn't know my head was gonna be a little tender after doing my retie. My head is a little tender today. So what I'm gonna do is I'm trying to leave a little bit of slack right here. I don't wanna put too much tension on that area right there. And I wanna be able to have some room to get to my scalp because how I'm gonna clean that if it's too tight, you know? I need some wiggle room. So I'm leaving it a little loose at the top, y'all. And now I'm just braiding up my hair. I'm gonna probably need something for my ends to hold them together. I don't necessarily want to go all the way down because I feel like if I go all the way down braiding this part up, I'm going to possibly unravel some of my ends. So I will probably go get a rubber band here in a second. The reason why I am braiding it together is because I don't want my braids, I don't want my locks to unravel while I'm in the shower washing my hair. If all of my hair was one texture, I probably would say maybe I don't need to. I don't know. If anything is going to unravel, it's going to be in the front of my head. I don't have like no sort of pattern or anything I'm following right now. I just want the hair to be in a small enough section to where I can get a good cleanse in, because I need the dirt and stuff to be able to get out. Some of these ends are a little bit longer, so I'm just really just twirling it around the braid. See, so I'm going up like this, but y'all see the extra? I'm taking it and looping it around like that, and then I'm holding it, taking my rubber band, and I'm just securing those ends like that. So this is what my ends are looking like. I feel confident enough to go ahead and do a wash, and this is what my braids are looking like. I think there's enough space in between them all to get a good wash and get to my scalp, and they are loose enough so I can get in there. All right, y'all, I'm gonna go get in the shower now, and I will come back after the shower, after I have done my ACV wash. All that I'm gonna do with this is let this kind of sit on my head for a minute, just like I would do with my natural hair, and just kind of lift all that buildup up, and then I'm gonna shampoo my hair with a clarifying shampoo. If I have some left over, I probably may go back in with it, but I'm gonna see. But yeah, I'll be back to show you guys what it looks like. Hey everybody, I'm back. I just got done washing my hair, and let me tell y'all, it felt so good. I don't know if it's because I could actually, like, my scalp is actually exposed now, but I felt like I felt every drop of water that hit my scalp out the shower head. I had to even turn down the shower head because I felt like I could just feel all of the drops just hit me like this. Let me know if y'all had that same experience when you get your hair retightened, or if it's just me, but it definitely didn't feel like how I normally feel when I wash my hair. I felt like I felt all of it in my scalp. Anyway, I have washed my hair. I did the ACV first, and then I did my clarifying shampoo, and then I went ahead and went back in with the ACV just to make sure that my scalp was clean and my head is not itchy anymore. I have not seen what it looks like, so we're gonna see what it looks like together on camera. I currently have my hair wrapped in a black t-shirt. Reason being is because I didn't want any lint that was going to be any other color besides black. I wanted it to blend if it gets stuck in my hair. And my hair has been in here for about 20 minutes. Let's see. Oh, okay. Scalp clean. Yeah, my scalp is clean, y'all. Looks like everything has held up, but yeah, they don't even feel really wet right now, but this is what it looks like straight out the shower. Let me rotate. I'll of course show you guys what it looks like once it's dry, but I don't want to mess with it right now. I think I'm gonna let it keep drying some more, and then I'm gonna come back once it's time to take them down, or once I've taken them down, so you guys can see. But I am happy to say that none of the bottoms of my hair came loose, which is really good. Hey everybody, I'm back. It is the next day. I went ahead and just slept in my braids last night. They were already like dry, but I just didn't feel like taking them down, so I just slept with them with my bonnet on and took them down this morning, and this is what my hair is looking like, y'all. Let me get closer so y'all can see the definition. Show y'all the ends. Look at this. Actually, let me show y'all the middle part. This is what my part looks like in the middle. My hair feels defined, y'all. Look at it. Let me show the back. I kind of feel like washing my hair really defined it. It looks so much more crisp than before. Like, look at that. I don't know, I kind of feel like it brought it alive a little bit. I will say it was kind of hard for me to tell that these are Microlocs after I washed them. They didn't unravel either, but they just look like little strands of hair after I washed them. Like, look at this. They just look so defined. I like it though. This is what my scalp looks like. Everything is still intact and my hair is clean. My hair is clean and it feels great. Look at that. I think for sure this is probably going to be the way that I wash my hair going forward. I think later in my journey when my hair matures, I definitely could just wash it, but right now I'm a little too scared of unraveling. But yeah, y'all, this is looking nice. Like, look at that. Oh. I hope you all found this video to be useful. If so, go ahead and leave me a like or comment down below and let me know, what do you think of my results? Are there any of you out there that use this method to wash your hair? If so, let me know how it works for you. If you don't, does your hair stay together when you wash it or does it unravel? Let me know down below because I'm just really curious. Also, if you have it in your heart, please go ahead and subscribe to the channel. I appreciate all the love at all times. And until next time, thank you guys for watching, and I will see you all soon. Bye.